Imagine you want to animate 50 points following a perfect mathematical curve. In a traditional editor, you're clicking, dragging, and eyeballing every single frame. It's tedious, and honestly, it's never quite perfect.
But what if you didn't move the dots? What if you defined them? With code, you don't tell the computer where to put things. You tell it the rules for where they should be.
The real magic happens when things get complex. Want to change the frequency of a wave? In an editor, you'd restart. In code, you change one variable. The math handles the rest. It's not just animation, it's living geometry. This is the Manim style. It's built on the idea that clarity is beauty. By using code, we bridge the gap between abstract equations and visual intuition. It's the language of the universe, rendered in motion.
So, is it harder to code your animations? Maybe at first, but once you start thinking in code, the only limit is your imagination. Happy animating!